According to the special report of taking new steps and achieving new results during the 14th five-year plan period, Shenzhen Kerun Optoelectronics Inc. recently won the title of Specialized, Special and New Enterprise in 2022. In this program, we especially enter this enterprise. Shenzhen Kerun Optoelectronics Inc. was founded in September 2010. A national high-tech enterprise focusing on the research, development, production and sales of LED digital packaging and intelligent home appliance controllers. Kerun head office is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen. Kerun Optoelectronics Foshan Shunde branch has been set up in the core area of home appliances in South China. The two factories have a production area of 30,000 square meters, and customer product service organizations have been set up in Hangzhou, Ningbo, Suzhou, Shanghai, and other places in Zhejiang Province. Kerun Digital Business Unit currently has 43 industry-leading LED automatic packaging production lines, with a monthly capacity of 300 kk, and will increase by 50% in the next 2 years. Kerun R&D Center provides comprehensive solutions for intelligent home appliance controllers and full display series. Kerun Display and Control Business Unit has a standard SMT dust-free production workshop and several imported high-speed, full automatic SMT production lines. It is equipped with 8 DIP assembly lines with a monthly capacity of more than 2.8 million pieces. At the same time, we have complete supporting product reliability test equipment and inspection equipment, which can continuously provide the industry with high reliability product supporting services. Since its establishment, Kerun Optoelectronics has always adhered to research and development and innovation as the first lifeline of the enterprise. The company's Product Research and Development Center has been established for many years. With years of research and development reserves, it provides complete and innovative display supporting solutions and product output for customers in home appliances and surrounding industries in real time. In only 3 years, the company has applied for more than 50 utility model patents, 13 invention patents, and 5 invention patents in 2021. The mission of the company is to rejuvenate the enterprise through science and technology and enrich the world, and will always develop and operate according to this mission. The company has accumulated a number of professional production management teams. The rich industry management experience and deep-rooted quality concept are the basic lifeline of the enterprise. Stable quality is the basic guarantee for Kerun to be as solid as a rock, and therefore it has been highly recognized and trusted by customers in the industry. As a staff member of Kerun, I can clearly remember that the company has always adhered to market orientation and has been adapting to various changes in the market. At present, Kerun Optoelectronics has a full industry application in the LED display industry and has the scale of independent completion of the full process, supporting automation in smart home, smart bathroom, industrial control, medical, vehicle, elevator, high-speed rail, road gate, and other applications. It is an integrated supporting provider that realizes batch supply guarantee and differentiated function customization. We have continued to innovate and make breakthroughs to build our corporate brand. From the crisscross Wanli high-speed railway line to smart home appliances, public buildings and halls to smart residential courtyards, staff of Kerun have now covered the country, gone global, and successfully provided supporting services to many well-known enterprises at home and abroad. In the future, staff of Kerun will continue to provide a more perfect and advanced series of products for the industrial control display supporting smart home appliances and home furnishing markets by adhering to the enterprise vision and values of applying superb skills, building the industry first, creating a world brand, and serving the world.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.